Hello, my name is Oliver. I live in Hamudi by the Cauca. I have 48 years old. I will tell you about Medellin and the theory of the eternal spring. Medellin's theory of the eternal spring. Last weekend I was with my son in soccer tournament that the headquarters Medellin, Antioquia. I traveled in since first day to play from Friday to Sunday. I was very happy because my face the Athletic Medellin and the Envigado. Not only we were in the tourist, the freight train, we visit several places of the Medellin, like the Park of the Fat Boys, the Park of the Bad Feet, or the equal way we travel the city in the Mother and we climb to the commons in the Mother cable. From there city looked very beautiful. From Medellin I like the reward for the Irish people and it as way were very places. That way is called the city of the eternal spring. On Sunday we returned to the city at the Cali also 1 a.m. Consider place after we rated and at night it felt a bit warm and a terrible city. The world in Medellin. Medellin is called the city of the eternal spring. It has warm clean at sometimes it is very sunny and in the afternoon it's cool and breezy and when the night is fast a bit cold. Some time recommendation to the visit city of the eternal spring. It is recommended during the day to wear comfort clothes. It is recommended to the heart rate throughout the day. It is necessary to have comfort shorts. It is recommended to the visit tour place. Going out the night is a good. Touring the city by bicycle is wonderful. Taking it ride on the subway is great. It is recommended to walk out in the group and visit aids. What you should do and what you should not do. As Medellin is a very good spring clean made very paternal atmosphere. People must high vehicle to the city visiting clay tourist place, but is compared by a good bottled water. People should not throw garbage on the street and should not ride in their monuments. Thank you.